All right. Railing had 1390 more. Then Louis add first. Definitely lah. You know this is the before information from here until here. Okay. Since we are doing the units method, you need to know the BCA. I have my before. Done. Railing bought a ring. Bought means it's a change keyword. I have with 60% of her money, and Louis spent, yeah, another change, right? 3/4 of his money. Then this one, whatever you have from here to here is my change. Ruiling had 964 more than Louis in the end. This one tells me that from here until here is my after. So I have my after as well. Okay, find the total amount of money both of them had at first. At first means before. Okay, now let's actually pull out all the information and put it inside the blank. Before that, can you see a percentage? I cannot work with percentage. I must do something with percentage, right? I told you before. So let's plug it out. Where is the percentage? This one, 60%. Okay, convert 60 over 100 equals to 3 over 5, right? 3 over 5 units. Leave it like that first. Okay, so then we go back. What is this fraction then? This fraction means Railing bought a ring with 60% of her money, which means if I were to rewrite, 3 unit is what she bought, the ring. 5 unit is her money before she bought. Okay, right? So I have all this stuff. Then what about the another fraction there? Louis spent 3 unit, 4 unit. This is the one that he spent. This is his total, or in other words, I would use before money. Okay, so I have all this information already. Now what do? I draw the table. Okay. By the way, you know that this one is actually comparison between Railing and Louis, and it's actually all changing quantity also, if you notice, because both of them changes differently. This Railing go and buy a ring. This Louis just spend the money. Both of them buy or spend money differently. So it's all changing quantities. However, there is this more. Okay, so it's all changing quantity plus a comparison there. So how we're gonna draw the box? It looks like this. So I'm gonna save a bit of space because this question is going to be lengthy. There's many steps to this question due to the both comparison. Okay, cut it up into 3 columns like this. Why 3 columns, you might ask? One is Railing, one is Louis, then another one is the more. The more have its own units, its own column. Whose more is this? This is Railing's more. Okay, then I'll have my before, my change, and my after. Don't copy, okay? Look at this first. Now pick and put information inside. Okay. Railing before. This is Railing, right? Before. Here, 5 units. Put there. Louis before. 4 units, right? There. Put that inside like this. Okay. The more for Railing is 1390. Put that inside. Done. Now what about their spend? This Railing spend how much? Minus 3 units there. Okay. Here. Then this Louis spend how much? Minus 3 units also. Done. It's there. Now, this more is considered like another person, you know. So you must know how much, because you know that Railing spent 3 units. So you must find out that 3 units in terms of money is how much. Okay. This is how it looks like if you don't understand why I have that more in one column. Let's say this is Railing and this is Louis. Okay. Railing have 5 units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For every this 5 unit that she have, for every 5 unit that she have, she will have 1390 more. So that is for that. This one is 1390. She will always have an extra 1390 like this. Can you see? So how many times of 1390 do you see? It tag along. The 1390 tag along with the 1 unit. 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Every 1 unit of railing, there will be 1390. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so this railing, every time that 1 unit comes into picture, she will have 1390 more, which means this lean what the name, Louis is only just a plain 1 unit. Can you see or not? This is what I'm trying to say. So if I want to compare the 1 unit of Louis, it's just like that, railing and Louis, 1 unit, 1 unit. This is the more. What more is that? 1390. Can see? Okay, so this is the whole model for the 5 units of railing. Okay, this one you understand now why I have the separate model, separate column for the more. Okay, now I want to find out how many units is this 1390. So what do I do? So I take, this is for the more, like this. So 5 unit is 1390. 1 unit is 1390 divided by 5, and I get 278. I spend how much? I spend 3 units, right? So I must find 3 units. 3 unit is 278 divided by 3, and I get 834, which means here is minus 834. Whatever she spent, remember, if she spent 3 units, 1, 2, 3, then part of it here, part of it here, part of it here will also be divided. Okay, just to make sure, this one, this is 1390. This is all more, but they add up to 1390. So sorry. All these extras, all these extra part here, they, you plus them together, they will add up to 1390. This is correct. Okay, but you know lah, every 1 unit there'll be extra. Extra how many? I don't know. But the extra, all 5 unit will add up to 1390. So now I know the extra 1 unit here is actually 278. So this is 278 extra. Everything that extra is 278. They add up to 1390. Okay? Okay, now we are good there. Now we go down the flow. We go down the column. Go down the column. 5 minus 3 is 2 units. 4 minus 3 is 1 unit. This one also must minus lah. 1390 minus, so we write down, let's write down here, 1390 minus 834 equals to 556. Here is 556. Okay? Then remember that if you are comparing something, the initial units must always be the same. Here 1 unit and 1 unit, right? Must be the same. Then you can see the extra. Okay, whenever you do a comparison model, example Ali, Bala, compare the same thing, but Ali have more. This is the more portion. So the thing that initially, this must be the same and the same. Now you look at the initial between these two, here and here. Are they the same or not? You have the more there, but they're not the same. You have to make them the same first. Then only the comparison is correct. Which means this railing and Lewis have the same model. So this one, let's put there as railing and Lewis. Like this. Only that there's an extra of 1390. Okay, so must make the same first. The unit must be the same first. Okay, so what do? I times each other lah. What if I do times 4 here? The rest of them will be affected, right? These are all will be affected. Here times 5, all will be affected as well, like this. Okay, so this is 20 units. Then here will be 12 unit minus 12 unit. Here will be minus 15 unit. Here will be 5 unit. Here is 8 unit. Check. 20 minus 12, 8. 20 minus 15, 5. Correct already. Yes. Now, we are done with that part. But let's move on to the after. Look at the after part there. What is so interesting about that? They say that Reeling had $964 more than Louis. Which means, the 964 I parked there first. Okay. Which means, this railing is this much. 8 unit plus 556. When I say more than Louis in the end, the more means I compare, I minus, right? Minus 5 unit equal 964. Let us write it down. 8 unit plus 556 minus 5 unit equals 964. This is how it look like. Okay, so I can play around with the units first. 964 minus 556. I get 408. This is 3 units. 1 unit is 408 divided by 3 and I get 136. Do I stop there? I don't. I need to know how much money they have at first. Now let's go back to at first, means the before. Okay, I told that before, right? So 20 plus 20. Don't forget to plus 1390. Okay, so I want to find 20 units is 136 times 40 equals to 5440. Not done yet. You take 5440 plus 1390 and I will get 6,830 dollars. The end. Okay.